Most house cleaning businesses don't fail because the work is hard. They fail because the system behind the work is messy. Missed bookings, late replies, forgotten schedules, and slow payments quietly destroy profit. Most people get this wrong and think working more hours will fix it. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the cleaning businesses growing the fastest are the ones using simple apps to stay organized and look professional. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for house cleaning businesses in 2026 that help you get more clients, manage schedules, send quotes faster, and get paid without stress. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most cleaning businesses lose clients before the job even happens because they respond too slowly. Apps like Jobber and Housecall Pro fix this instantly. They capture leads, send automatic replies, and let you book appointments in seconds. So when someone like Jake searches for a cleaner, your business responds right away instead of hours later. But here's the problem. Fast replies are useless if your business looks unprofessional. That's where Google Business Profile becomes powerful. It helps you show up when people search house cleaning near me. Alex, a small cleaner in California, doubled his bookings just by posting before and after photos and collecting weekly reviews. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best cleaning businesses don't just clean well, they market well. Apps like Canva help you create simple social media posts that show transformations and attract new clients instantly. Now let's talk scheduling. Double bookings and missed appointments kill trust. Tools like Square Appointments and Jobber help you organize your entire calendar, so every cleaner knows exactly where to be and when. But here's another major issue. Slow quotes lose customers. Apps like Joist and Housecall Pro let you send clean, professional estimates in minutes. No waiting. No confusion. Just fast pricing that helps customers say yes quicker. Now, let's talk money. Getting paid late is one of the biggest headaches in cleaning businesses. Apps like QuickBooks and Square fix this by letting you send invoices immediately after finishing a job. Some cleaners even get paid on the spot before leaving the home. Now, here's a big growth lever. Route planning. Apps like Google Maps and Routeform help you group nearby jobs together, so you waste less time driving and complete more houses per day. Now let's talk communication. WhatsApp Business and Slack keep you connected with your team and clients instantly. No missed instructions. No confusion about job details. For customer retention, MailChimp helps you send follow-up messages so past clients book you again for recurring cleaning services. Now here's a powerful one. NishiChop automatically requests reviews after every job. More reviews means more trust, and more trust means more bookings without extra advertising. For lead generation, Thumbtack and Angie connect you with homeowners actively searching for cleaning services right now. These are high-intent customers ready to hire. Google Calendar keeps your schedule simple and organized. And Zapier connects all your apps together so your business runs automatically in the background. Here are the key takeaways. The most successful cleaning businesses in 2026 are not relying on memory or manual work. They are using apps to respond faster, stay organized, get paid quickly, and build trust automatically. Start with just a few apps that solve your biggest problems. Master them first, then expand. If you do this right, you will stop losing jobs to slow competitors and start running a cleaning business that feels smooth, predictable, and profitable. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what business you want next, and subscribe for more real-world business growth systems.